Prominent businessman and owner of Gill Corporation, Mr. Azhar Amin Gill, from Gujranwala, represented Pakistan's private sector at the 13th session of the World Urban Forum, WUF13, organized by the United Nations in Baku, Azerbaijan. During the forum, Mr. Azhar Amin Gill held significant meetings with several high-profile international figures. In his meeting with the WHO Director of Urban Health, detailed discussions took place on the deep connection between quality housing and public health outcomes, particularly for urban populations in developing countries. His meeting with the French Director of Planning and Design focused on modern European urban planning principles, sustainable construction models, and the possibilities of applying these frameworks within the Pakistani context. These engagements reflect Mr. Gill's commitment to bringing world-class knowledge and global best practices back to Pakistan. Mr. Azhar Amin Gill was present at this defining moment, making Gill Corporation a proud participant in this global commitment. Upon returning from the forum, Mr. Azhar Amin Gill reaffirmed his dedication to translating global commitments into ground-level action in Pakistan. He stated, "From the halls of the United Nations to the streets of our cities, this mission will continue." At a time when Pakistan faces the triple challenge of rapidly growing urban populations, widespread inadequate housing, and the escalating impacts of climate change, the participation of private sector leaders like Mr. Azhar Amin Gill in global forums carries profound significance. His presence at WUF13 sends a clear message to the world that Pakistan's private sector thinks globally, acts responsibly, and is fully committed to playing its role in building a better, more sustainable urban future for the country.